Nifa, damn. Good morning, Nifa. Fuck, you have been like missing in action recently. We actually spoke about you the other day on stream. We were like, where's Nifa? But yeah, I hope you guys are well. Yeah, I'm coming on a bit early today, guys. Coming on a bit early. I was awake earlier, so I was like, you know what, let's just start streaming a bit early. The London Opens haven't been great, so I was like, you know what, like let's get on an hour early and just see. Is it still quiet? No, shouldn't be quiet now. Yeah, Patrick, get your coffee. I got mine, man. I got mine. I'm very early today, though. Yeah, I am. You know what? Because the thing is, guys, I want to. I was like, you know what? These last London sessions just haven't been it, you know. And London Opens have just been so dead. And I'm like, because what's been happening is New York's been ranging. I mean, New York's been. Fuck, what am I saying? Asia session's been moving and London's been ranging. So it's like, well, let me come on a little bit earlier. And we can just, you know, hang out, chill, see what's happening. Fuck, this session sucks as well as London Open. Yeah, Daniel. Okay, listen to me, brother. Listen. Okay, so obviously right now you are... what it looks as if, you know, things aren't going your way when it comes to trading right now. When it comes to obviously the sessions and your accounts, because you just mentioned now you're losing your accounts, okay? The best thing I can tell you to do right now is step away from your personal, right? Just trust me, step away from your personal. And because I made this mistake when I was on losing streak, I was trading my personal account. So step away from your personal account, okay? And just focus on one eval. That's it. Don't worry about all your others, man. Just focus just on one until you come out of it again and you're feeling confident. Because the thing is, right, these few last sessions haven't been great. They just haven't been great. I spoke yesterday in the group chat with you and with you guys, and I said I mentioned to you guys that yeah, these London sessions that haven't been it. That's why when I get back home, I'm going to start trading my normal session time, the pre-New York, okay? But right now, as I'm coming in, let's just do some breakdowns, let's just talk some psychology instead of taking trades live. Maybe, you know, if there's a really good setup in this volume, I'll execute a trade. But I'm not coming in here right now going to force trades just due to the fact that this London Open has just been absolutely horrible. And don't tell yourself you're on a losing streak, because if you tell yourself that, it's gonna like really like fuck with your emotions. Just forget it and move on now. Like, trust me, that's a mistake I made recently, because I was on a huge win. I hit that losing streak, and then the losing streak got the best of me, right? So yeah. Nifa, I just wanted to ask you, did you receive your free account? Remember that? I remember you won an account. Did you ever receive it? We're going to talk charts shortly, guys. We're going to talk some charts shortly. Vicky, good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Okay. Alright, cool. So, guys, you can obviously see I've taken my balance, my P&L out of the screen because I don't want to focus on that right now. I did, however, request a payout yesterday, though, out of that 200k account, which I should hopefully receive today, tomorrow, somewhere around this time. So, which is cool. I took a $5,000 payout. Now, how I came on stream and I was like, well, let's actually talk some trades. Let's break down some let's break down some trades and just see, you know, what's been happening, and, you know, just go over some really cool entries that we could have taken. So music change. If you don't like my music, leave the stream. Okay, it's very early in the morning for me right now, guys. I need something very chill vibe, yeah. This this music is part of my stream, guys. It's been with me since day one. So if you don't like it, then yeah, you don't need to watch, okay? Sarvesh, good morning to you, bro, as well, man. Good morning. Also, guys, I want to go over some gold. I was like, you know what? I also want to trade some. I want to look at some gold with you guys. So you know what? I know we jump into NQ first thing every day. So let's today look at some gold, yeah, and then we're gonna go over NQ, right? Let's change it up a bit. Let's just change it up a bit, right? Because gold, looking at gold right now, it looks a bit better though. Okay. Okay, actually gold has done something I said it would do as well. That's fucking crazy. Okay, we'll talk about that now as well. Alright, so, oh, my screen's frozen. Okay, give me a second and we'll get into gold. Yo, guys, so gold has done something that actually happened that I spoke about it doing. And it's a pattern, okay? It's a pattern. And I'm going to talk about this pattern now, okay? I'm going to teach something new to everybody. Nobody knows about. I've never really taught this, or I've never really showed it. It's just something that I've learned in my past from previous mentors, and it's something that's, you know, really helpful, very useful for trading. So just get your notebooks ready, because I'm going to show you guys something, and I haven't shown anybody this yet. So this is new for every single one of you guys. So I'm going to drop a little gem for you guys, okay, on the stream now. Yes, I did receive it. Thank you again, Cam. I'm ashamed to say that I've experienced the same thing you and Daniel talking about. I blew the gifted account on July 20th. Nifa, it's okay. You don't be ashamed. Like, don't be ashamed. That's like the last thing you need to feel, is feeling ashamed. There's nothing to be ashamed about. Like, really, like, losing accounts is just part of this fucking job. Like, we're gonna lose accounts. Like, it's gonna happen. We're gonna go on tilt. We're gonna go on losing streaks. It just is what it is. Don't feel ashamed about it, yeah? Just accept it and learn from it and move on from it. Salvage, one trade away to below 25k. Yeah, so clearly it seems that everyone is struggling right now, or most people are, because price action is just absolutely dog shit right now. So yeah, anyways, let's get into the charts, okay? We just need to accept price action right now, guys. There's nothing we can do about it. But yeah, so something I want to talk about, okay? This is gold, guys. I'm looking at gold currently, okay? Something I want to talk about is a pattern that happens regularly, and it's called a trend line fake out. A lot of you guys know what a trend line is. I'm going to quickly draw. I'm going to draw an example here for you guys. Just, don't know why I don't know that at all. I'm just going to draw something for you. So let's just say we have a little bit of a downtrend happening here, okay? Like this. So let's just say we have a downtrend, okay? Now, in this scenario, right, what happens in a downtrend? This is when we usually look for sells, right? Now, something that happens in a downtrend, price will fake out, it'll fake direction and then reverse. And this is where a lot of people get stopped out on this type of stuff, right? So what happens is, as we can see, we're making lower highs and lower lows as we're trending lower, right? Make sure you can see this, yeah. What happens in this type of scenario is a lot of the time, price will have its last leg down, but it'll immediately snap back up, okay? And then it'll end up targeting, oh shit, what's this? Fuck. And then it'll end up targeting all of these highs, right? So I'm going to show you something. So as price is trending lower, we're creating liquidity, right? We're creating areas that price we can target, right? So, sorry guys, I'm just drawing this. So what happens, right, let me remove this one. So what happens in this type of scenario is, as price is moving lower, we are creating liquidity, because every time price sells off, people have their stop losses, right, above these highs. What happens in these situations is that price will dip, right, make its last leg down, and it'll immediately close back above, okay? And when it dips down, what is it doing? It's actually taking some liquidity down here. And I guys, I don't trade liquidity, but it's just a pattern that happens, and we'll talk about that pattern, okay? And you will see it. So as price dips down, right, it's called a trend line fake out. It fakes out, closes back above, okay? This is where people usually will then get stopped, and then price will immediately then go for all of these highs, okay? Now this is called a trend line fake out. Price is trending lower, it fakes out, and then it reverses, okay? Let me show you, right, what I mean by that. Look what happened on gold. This is the daily time frame, right? Look what happened on gold. Okay, it happened over here on gold, right? We had a trend line, right, going lower. Okay, what happened? Price faked out as if it tried to go lower, grabbed these lows, and it targeted all of these liquidity highs. Okay, this is what gold does, right? I promise you, this is what gold does. So gold is bullish right now for me personally. Just talking about this, I would want to see gold come for this high up here that I have marked off over here. Alright, so gold faked out, sold off, immediately snapped back, closed above after grabbing that low, and then it just went for all of those highs, broke out of that. So this is called a trend line fake out, and this happens, guys, a lot on gold on all time frames. Okay, let me show you another time frame to look at this on, right? It can be a strategy just in itself, but I don't use it like that. I don't even, it's very rare I use this type of thing, but it does really work. Okay, check here. Happen here as well. I mean, this is the 15-minute, right? This is when you can start combining this with EMA. I mean, you know, but 15-minute over here, we can see same thing. We have this trend line going lower. Price dips down, fakes out, grabs these lows, closes back above, and targets all of those highs. It's a move, and even here, yeah, here's even a better one. Check this one. This is a huge one, huge one. Look at this one. Price creating that. There we go. Simple, simple, simple. As price dips down, we come for liquidity lows down here. Grab those lows, close back above, and we target all of that liquidity up here. So if you see a downtrend, right, or an uptrend, like a flag type of position, right, you can actually look for these type of moves. Okay, you obviously need to be patient for them, but yeah, this is something that I see a lot on gold. Okay, I see a lot of this in gold, and where I learned this type of strategy was from a trader that actually just trades gold. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that before moving on. Okay, so looking at gold right now, I would say it's bullish, you know, to be fair. I don't know what the fuck this big wick is, to be honest, but yeah, who knows. M and Q. Okay, Nasdaq. Okay, well, Nasdaq, guys, it's kind of done something similar, right? I'm not changing my strategy, guys. I'm just looking at market structure, right? I never change my strategy. I haven't done it for the last 2 years. I'm just looking at market structure. Okay, we are creating lower highs. Price is trending lower, but we did grab some lows. And what happened? We closed back above. After what we just spoke about, it's making me think we're gonna, you know, come for these highs up here. We might end up just buying. But the thing is that I don't know if we're going to do that right now, just due to the fact we're below that EMA. Yesterday's daily candle also, guys, created a daily inside bar. We also created a daily inside bar yesterday. So depending on what this candle does, if we break that inside bar low, we might drop. But if we can hold inside that inside bar and eventually break that high, there's a high probability we're going to go higher. So I'm going to mark off two things right now. I'm going to mark off today's opening print. Okay, this is today's opening print. Let's make it green. Okay, that's today's opening print. Yesterday's low. Okay. This is previous day lows now. Let's make that white so we have it clear. Previous DL. So previous day low is this one over there. Okay. So the fact we're under the daily opening print, right? This can mean we can come for yesterday's low. Right, the fact that let's just look at the bigger picture. We came up into the daily EMA. Yesterday's daily EMA failed to break above. We closed back below that daily EMA, creating an inside bar. Today's candle opened up, wicked that daily EMA and rejected immediately. Now we're back under that daily opening print, right? We might come for yesterday's low. So let's see. On the 4 hourly, what's the 4 hourly doing? Okay. This 4 hourly has created a 4 hourly inside bar as well, previous. So look what's happened. We got above EMA, we got back below. Price then created that 4 hourly inside bar. We opened up now on the new 4 hourly, wicked that daily open, and now we are holding beneath it. It looks like price wants to drop. We could very well maybe come for these lows down here. Okay. Does look like a good short though, but let's see. 1 hourly. Sure, 1 hourly. Ooh, guys, this does look like a good short. I won't even lie. Fuck, I might even try it. I might go very small on this one. Shit. Okay, I'm gonna try something.
Order rejected.
What? Oh shit, guys. I can't take this trade on this account because I'm requested a payout. Okay, I need to change accounts. Give me a second. Give me a second. Hold on, guys. Oh, you're also in short MNQ, NQ. Nice. Sorry, guys. I just need to change this account. I just realized I requested payout, so I can't take a trade. I've still got this. Okay, here we go. Yeah. Okay, cool. I've still got this 150k challenge that's in drawdown. So actually, let me use this one. Where's my OBS? Cool. Okay, sweet. Okay, cool. So what I was saying was the hourly came up into the EMA, closed back below. I'm tempted. I want to short this. Let me just double check. Bottom. Yeah, so let me take a short.
Order filled.
Okay. Come for these lows. Now, the reason I'm taking the short, guys, was just due to the fact of this big closure back below EMA. And we've broken that low. I'm going to risk like 1,000. Might come lower. I don't know. Let's see if we get the volume. Ah, you know what? I'm willing to try this one. See what happens. We are holding under that daily opening print as well. So yeah, let's see. My entry is 29,100. Nice. Yeah, this is a challenge account for me right now. So it's in drawdown. Let's just see, man. Fuck, it's a challenge account. I don't care too much about the challenge account. That's why I'm taking this trade right now. But yeah, let's see if I mean, it does make sense. We grabbed highs, closed back below that EMA. The hourly, as I spoke about, is holding beneath that opening print. We also rejected hourly EMA with a nice big bearish closure back under. Looking at this, you know, it does look convincing to keep going shorter. As long as we stay under that daily opening print level, we should keep going lower. But if we start getting back above it, we know what happens then in that situation. We're most likely going to fucking just range again, because look how small this range is. The ranges are getting tighter now, right? So maybe London Open breaks out of this. Who knows? Let's see. I was speaking to someone yesterday, guys. When I'm going back home in the next 2 weeks, and when I'm home, guys, I'm going to be streaming pre-New York session and New York session on my YouTube channel. I'm giving myself a very, very big challenge, and I'm going to be using a trade copier, copying about 4 different prop firms at the same time, copying trading maybe 20 to 25 accounts. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because I've worked out that if I can do that, I already know the firms I'm going to be using for this. The payout potential is huge. And I'm just very excited to try. I've never done it, but I was like, well, if I can copy trade 20 accounts at the same time, 50K accounts, and I can take out $2,000 out of each account, that's $40,000 payout. So like, or 50K payout, somewhere around there. So I was like, it's a no-brainer. So I'm going to be doing this when I get back home. I can't wait, man, guys. I say it every day. Fuck, I'm so excited to go home. I'm kind of over the holiday now. I want my routine. I want my office back. and I really want to bring back the OG streams what we used to have. It's just been quite difficult, obviously, as I've been traveling using a laptop, everything, as you guys know. Yeah, so I'm excited for that. And then need to get some more evals. Yeah, Sarvesh, man. Yeah, if you need evals, and get evals. I am. What is this? Sorry, Daniel. I don't know if you're watching, brother, but I have to see your screenshot now. I'm gonna go over. So okay, so Daniel. Okay, so Daniel, I see that you're trying to buy NQ. Okay, now Daniel, the only reason I can see, so I'm just looking at your trade. You need to be aware of something, Daniel. Why you could have gone wrong on that trade. Okay, I don't know if you were looking at that hourly EMA. I'm not sure, because if I'm looking at the hourly, the trade you took, that was sitting beneath that hourly EMA, it seems. So you obviously took buys up into that hourly EMA, it looks like. I think. But yeah, because I'm looking at your screenshot. You were taking longs and then it stopped you out when price dumped and pulled back under that EMA. So the only reason you could have potentially lost this trade was because you're taking buys into that hourly EMA, from what I can see, which is not like, it's not a stupid thing to do. It's just risky. Also, if I zoom out a bit as well, you know, we can see we're making lower highs. Always look to the left, guys. It'll give you more of an idea. We're also making lower highs, which, you know, understanding that this could be turning into a bearish market. Not saying it will. I'm not saying it will. This thing could really just fucking shoot to the stars, right? But I mean, that could be another reason why price is trying to keep pulling back on you. And the final and last reason would be that we're in a fucking range, right? Again, like every day we're in a range. So like, that could be it. Bailey's good. Where's Bailey? Come here. Bailey, come. Come, Bailey. Come on. Bailey, come here. Come. Come. Come here. Come here. Hello, good morning. Come. Come see. No, you're not in trouble. Why are you being... Come. 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 What's your problem? Why are you like that? Come. Hey. Oh. Here's Bailey, guys. There's my Bailey. Here's my girl. Yeah. 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 Okay. Go to mom. Oops. I did have a look on the daily gap. Hi Cam, if you have some time, can you please take a look at gold and give your opinion on intraday? Yeah, I already did that. I'm bullish on gold if I had to choose a side. I can go back quick. Just hold on, guys. I'll go back to gold now. Just give me a second, guys. Let me just set this. I don't know why this keeps disappearing. Is there a lock feature on this? I have no idea. Cool. Yeah. Gold. Yeah, quickly on gold. I mean, I did look at it now. I'm looking at MGC, so micro gold quickly. I mean, yeah. So it's a weird one because on the daily time frame, I'm bullish on gold, right? Looking at this current daily candle, after speaking about the trend line fake out, if you go back to the beginning of my stream, you'll see I broke down this daily time frame on gold. Okay, I'm not going to do it again, but I'm bullish on gold right now. If I had to choose a side, I think we are going to go higher. I think gold is going to go for these highs up here at some point. So looking at how we closed above EMA, yesterday's daily candle. Hey. Fuck, sorry, my dog is eating a fucking stone. Yesterday's daily candle closed above EMA. Today we wicked it and now we're pulling back. So we could very well just keep reaching for the stars on gold. If today's daily candle, guys, like if price gets above the high of today, we could run higher. If we can get above the 150 area. Yeah, if we can get above 144, 150, like the 145 area, then yeah, I think gold can go higher. I think gold can go higher. That's just a daily time frame. I mean, if I go to the like a 15 minute, are we ranging on this 15 minute? Nothing clear on here yet. We also have this big weird wick to the downside. Like, I don't know what the fuck that's about, but that's weird as well. But I would want to see gold go higher personally. So yeah, that's gold for you. My eyes, just give me a second, guys. I'm just thinking my glasses, my eyes are like hurting. Okay. Also, guys, we're on the 23rd. We're coming to the month end as well soon. Like, if I want to see something. Yeah, okay. So guys, right now, okay, what I'm seeing is that price is obviously now ranging. It's obviously using this area as some type of support, right? It's trying to hold this area, but we still are below that daily opening, so, and below that EMA. As long as we stay below there, I'm gonna just keep holding this, to be fair. I don't want to get out of this. Previous London Open as a support, then what is it? Is it currently using the previous? Is it using the previous London as a support, bro? I'm not gonna now go and try to find that because that's just so annoying. I mean, oh, it is. Oh, I can see it is. Yeah. That's interesting though, guys. So this is the previous London. Daniel brought this up to me yesterday and I found it very, very interesting. Yeah, so this here, this yellow line I've put on is the previous. Fucking interesting though. Let's see, I mean. Daniel yesterday messaged me. He said that he's noticed that a lot of the time, like, price can use the previous London sessions level and use it as a support or resistance into the next day. Price has come into it now and it is trying to bounce off of it, so I'm very interested to see how it's going to react here. But it is very interesting information that he found out, because I've never really looked at it like that before. Nifa, what I saw was an hourly closure below that EMA. Price came up into, this is the hourly time frame I'm on now. Price came up into that EMA, rejected heavily on two occasions and closed back below, very bearish. This hourly that I'm in right now broke the previous hourly low, so that's when I tried to get in this. But price has immediately pulled back on me. Yeah. But again, this is an evaluation, guys. You guys know how I feel about evals. I put a lot of risk on my evals, guys. Yeah. It's how I trade with them. It's the funded accounts I trade very conservatively. why this keeps disappearing though. My goal with funded accounts, guys, is just to take payouts at a consistent space. Like with funded accounts, my goal every month is to take at least 2 to 3 payouts out of funded accounts per month, right? Because that will then, that's usually like a $10,000 to $15,000 payout, just off my funded accounts per month, right? Which is my like target, I would say. Just to, you know, be comfortable and, you know, be able to save money every month. And then on top of that, I still got my personal account that I take about 5K out of a month as well. So having those two safety nets when it comes to evaluations, I don't have time for them anymore. I'm just going to be honest, guys. I don't have time to spend days on days on days on days on days and weeks trying to pass an eval with base hits. Okay, I used to be like that. For psychology aspect of things, it doesn't work for me. So with evals, I put size on my trades. How to open a funded account? You need to pass an evaluation first, and then you get the funded account. Have a good one. I'm looking at the charts the next day after 10 o'clock Paris time. That's cool, Daniel. You do you, bro. You do you, brother. If it makes sense to your system, if it makes sense to your strategy, you do that, bro. As I tell you guys every day. It's just consolidating. Yep. What's an evaluation, brother? I'm new to this. So, how do I explain this? Basically, I'm trading with a prop firm. A prop firm is a business. It's a company that will give you an opportunity to trade larger capital where you can then receive payouts from. Okay, it's for people that don't have enough money to deposit and invest in their own personal broker. It's for people that don't want to risk their own money. You can then use a prop firm, okay? Because the only money you're risking on your prop firm is the initial fee, okay? Eval can be passed in one day. That's not true, Savesh. That's not true. Not every eval can be passed in one day, okay? Basically, when you want to get funded by a company like Nasdaq Futures, you are given a evaluation first. And what an evaluation is, it's basically like an exam you need to pass, okay? It's like a test. And there are rules to that test. If you pass that test, right, by following all the rules, okay, and accomplishing all the rules, you then get your funded account. And on the funded account, that's where you can actually make real money. Okay? So whatever profits you make on that funded account, you can then withdraw those, and then they will pay that out to you. So yes, for beginners, it is the better option because you're not risking your own money, you know. It's a nice way to build capital. But you need to have very good psychology with these prop firms because there are a lot of rules, right? So yeah, just be aware of that. Just do some more research on them before just going to go buy one. You know, you need to know what you're getting yourself into. But a lot of people have their opinions. I love prop firms, and that's why I trade Nasdaq Futures. You know that it's very cheap to get into, and you can make a lot of money out of it. So for example, my 200k account I trade, you know, it cost me $300. I've taken $30,000 out of that account. So I've made $29,500 profit out of my $300 investment, basically. So it's very worth it. Go have a look at it, man. If you're interested in starting and you want to get into it, yeah, go have a look. Nasdaq Futures. You can actually, I put a barcode at the top of my screen. Just scan that with your phone, and go sign up, and yeah, go have a look. Yeah, but you can get yourself one account, like a 50k account, a beginner account, for like $60, $70 or something like that. So it's a deal, man. It is a deal. No, it's not free to start an evaluation. You have to pay for it. Nothing is free when it comes to this. You have to pay for the evaluation. So if you want to do a $50,000 account, right, you have to pay like $80, okay, if you use my code. So if you use you'll get 20% off. So use code CAM, you'll literally get an account for like, I can't remember, go have a look. It's like $80, I think. And it's a subscription. So if you pass in the first month, they cancel that subscription for you. So it's a one-time payment basically, but you have to pass it in the first month, or if you don't, they're just going to charge you again in the next month. But you can cancel that subscription as well if you want. Julian, yeah, have a look into it, man. I mean, it's you know, it's one of those things that, you know, just it needs to make sense to you doing it. I'll never force someone to go trade a prop firm, but it needs to just make sense to you. Yeah, that's the first thing. Just as long as it makes sense to you and it's something that you want to start doing, then yeah, go definitely consider it. Because most, like, what is it, 90% of traders use prop firms, guys. Like 90% of, I don't know, I'm assuming all of you guys on here are using props. Everybody does it to start out until they make enough money to then go into a personal account. But the difference between like a prop firm and a personal account is, on a prop firm you have rules, on a personal account you don't, right? So you have more freedom on a personal account, but then again it's a lot riskier because you are risking your own money on that. So my advice is use prop firms, get some payouts throughout time, enough where you can start your own personal account. Because remember, if you start a personal account with a bigger balance, you can make a lot more money that way. If you start out a personal account with like a smaller balance, you're not going to make that much money. I mean, you can, but it'll take a long time. Why am I trading NQ? Because I do what I want. That's why. Are you using personal live account or prop firm? I'm using both. I do both. My personal account though, I don't trade every day. I use it for swing trades more than anything. So if I see a day, if I see a daily setup happening, I will then use the personal account to swing a trade. Yeah. Am I on drugs right now? Yeah, dude. I'm on a lot. I'm on a lot, bro. Obviously not. But listen, if I can clearly see you don't want to be trading, why are you watching my live stream, bro? Just out of curiosity, if you don't want to be trading, why are you watching live trading on YouTube? just curious, like, if it's such a bad thing to be trading. What prop firm am I using? I can't mention all the firms I am using, but right now on stream I'm using Nasdaq Futures. Listen, my streams, guys, are all educational entertainment purposes only, right? None of this is financial advice in any ways, okay? You must also understand something, guys. I burn through evaluations. I have enough money through our trading that I can put $100 in an eval and just, you know, high risk that eval. It's what I do, okay? I farm my evaluations is what I do, because after my 8 years of trading, I don't have patience anymore taking 2 weeks to pass an eval, because I have a personal account that I can make $1,000 and $2,000 in today. So I don't need evals to be taking time. So if I'm buying a fresh evaluation, trading it in a consolidation on stream, I'm going to do that. I will do it. Like, doesn't mean anything for me. Okay, if you're conservative about your capital, if you're conservative about your system, your edge, just don't trade. That's cool, guys. I've come to a point in trading where I just don't give a fuck anymore when it comes to this, because the less you care, the more money you make. And it's a fact. Ask any professional successful trader. The more you care about your trading, the more emotionally you're going to be trading. So stop caring, stop trading emotionally, and just fucking trade, man. Like, seriously. I wish I had your time zone for manual trading. Yeah, I'm in Europe, so I'm a bit grateful for that. Your Canada time's shit, I won't lie. But you guys get New York session when you wake up in the morning, though. What's the difference between platforms and which one would you recommend? Get Deep Chart, okay? It's the platform I'm using currently. It's the easiest, most beginner friendly platform out there, all right? It's very beginner friendly. I mean, when I say out there, with Nasdaq Futures, right? So it's the easiest Nasdaq Futures platform right now. So get Deep Chart. It's just easy to use. If you look now on my screen, you can drag your take profit and stop loss. It's just easy, you know. So just use Deep Chart, bro, if you're new to it. Bro speaks facts. Yeah, dude, I'm telling you facts right now. Like, I can't even lie. I can't even make it up. Like, yeah. Something I don't understand about, oh guys, I'm gonna exit this trade. I don't like that. Okay, I'm exiting that, guys. I'm just gonna wait for that London Open. Okay, yeah, I'm out of that trade, guys. I'm gonna wait for London Open. London opens in 10 minutes. So, saying something I don't understand about so many of these live trading gurus and stuff. Let me tell you something about them. Okay, a lot of them live trade on YouTube, right? And I know some of them. These guys that you see live trading on YouTube that are using 2 to 3 micros per trade, let me tell you right now, those guys have personal accounts that you don't see, and they risk heavy, right? The only reason a lot of them trade the way they do on YouTube is because they're trying to make themselves look like they're this risk managed fucking like perfectionist when it comes to trading. But I'm telling you not. Those guys are making a shit ton of money on other things. It's not just trading. So when it comes to their trading on stream, not all of them, but a lot of them, right? They will come in and they'll execute a trade with 2 micros, making $200 a trade, but then they're driving a fucking Ferrari, like a Porsche or something fucking ridiculous, right? They didn't get that Porsche for trading 2 to 3 micros, right? Those guys have huge personal accounts they're trading every single day as well. So what you see on YouTube, just be careful, like. What's your idea taking this current trade? I don't know, bro, right now. I need to just wait for this London Open. London's going to open at this daily opening print, so I'm just we need to see what's going to happen, yeah. What is macros or micros? In futures, you get a thing called micros and minis. Micros is the smaller contracts. So if you want to risk less and be able to manage risk a bit easier, you use the micros, which is MNQ. If you want to risk more and have higher risk, use the minis because you got a higher contract then, a bigger contract. Where's my Lambo, dude? Which color? Which one? Which color Lambo are you talking about? Because I've got a few colors just sitting here in my driveway. Show me the platforms, Jesse. This is the platform you can see now. This is the platform I trade. The other platform I can't show you. I don't have them. Put on the Jewish level. I'm so confused what you're talking about. Jesse, I don't understand what you're talking about, bro. Okay, guys, 10 minutes for this London Open, and let's just see what's going to happen. Jesse, bro, don't know what you're talking about. You're just trolling now, bro. You look so retarded, bro. Just stop, dude. Don't know what shit you're talking about, bro. Fucking Jewish level, like making religious jokes like that here on my stream. What if I'm Jewish? Like, imagine I was Jewish and you're making Jewish jokes to me, bro. Maybe there's a Jewish person on the stream, bro. Like, you can't say stuff like that, dude. I mean, banter's banter, but I mean, imagine there's someone on here that's Jewish, like religiously Jewish, and now they're seeing that. It's horrible. I'd like to see the platform. I'm showing you the platform, bro. Stop. I'm gonna literally mute you, dude. Difference between futures and stocks, bro. I'm not gonna go over that. Look at the rejection right now. Oh, fuck shit. See, if I stayed in that trade, that would have been a goodie. Have I ever done swing trading? Yeah, I do swing trading a lot on my personal account. Yeah, I swing trade, guys, on my personal account because that's where I make the big money. That's where I make the big money, man. Yeah, this is my freaking, guys, this was originally my sell setup, man. I exited that now, but now I'm like, fuck, now I'm like, I want to get back in it, I won't lie. Because that is a crazy rejection of that daily opening print. This was the sell I took, guys, earlier. It was this. Exited as we got back above that daily opening print, cutting my loss a little bit early. But now looking at this, I regret closing that trade. Jesse, bro, what are you talking about, dude? Just like, if you're gonna ask me to do something, bro, like, stop making these Jewish jokes. It's actually not even fucking funny, bro. Like, what level are you talking about, bro? You want me to put a level on? Maybe just speak a bit normally and tell me what level, because I can do it for you, bro. Just tell me. Bet this platform don't have proper TPO noob. Bro, I don't know, guys. Does anyone in the chat know what this guy's talking about? Because I really don't. He's like, I can check, but I don't understand what you're talking about, man. I've been trading for 8 years now, bro. 8 years. Any tips you would give your beginner self learning how to trade? Yeah. If you want to, if I can give you some really great advice for someone wanting to start to trade, don't learn TPO, because that's just the biggest bullshit strategy you could probably ever trade in your life, and you're going to become someone like Jesse in the chat that just does not know what he's talking about. Like, yeah, like you're going to become one of those big idiots. TPO, and I'm telling you now, you're going to end up struggling, bro. Just trade an EMA and just keep shit simple, bro. Like, just don't become Jesse, bro. That's all I'm saying. But seriously, if I could give you some real advice, bro, what would if I could tell myself something when I first started, just don't strategy hop. Don't go from strategy to strategy. Because going from strategy to strategy, bro, it's going to end up really confusing you over time. If you're going to start to learn a strategy, stick with that strategy, okay? Obviously, throughout time, you can adjust it, you know, and tweak it, but just don't strategy hop. That's something I wish I knew right in the beginning, because when I started trading, I was going through every strategy, learning a new strategy almost every month, thinking that I am going to get rich, and it just, every time a strategy failed, I would think it didn't work, and I would go to the next. So yeah, stick with one strategy and learn that strategy, and just accept that a strategy will lose. You're not going to have a 100% win rate strategy. Clearly, Jesse has a 100% win rate strategy, so he must be sitting there in his billion-dollar mansion in Dubai right now, because he got the TPO strategy. So maybe if you want to learn Jesse's strategy, you should definitely message him, because he clearly fucking is like the goat of trading. Okay, guys, London Open's about to hit now. But yeah, trading is extremely life-changing if you honestly fucking put in the work. I promise you. Daniel, I thought you disappeared, bro. Don't learn every strat. I started to become profitable when I learned and stayed with Cam. He's a great course for you, brother. Daniel, I appreciate that, brother. Yeah, I mean, I did create a course that is extremely simple to follow, extremely simple to understand. It's not a it's not something that, you know, it's a money-making thing. It's just for you guys that want to learn more of the strategy. But it's very simple, straightforward. Daniel is just living proof of it. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit, guys. Oh, fuck. Look at this short, guys. I exited. I would have been in this right now, man. This would be the trade I would be in if I didn't close. Oh, fuck. So this is, yeah, I mean, that was a very simple, straightforward short, though. It's a pity I exited, man. It's a pity I exited that. I sit in the yard, drink coffee, and watch my phone. Nice, nice. Tried to tell you. No, Monk Fitness, it's cool, man. It's part of the game, isn't it? At the end of the day, guys, I don't care if this trade's dropping without me. I was right, though. I was right. I just exited like 1 minute too early. I was right, though. Yeah. I really wish I had the TPO on my chart. If I had the TPO on my chart, I would be unbelievably rich right now in this trade. Maybe I can get a 5-minute entry on this. Let me see. I mean, I'm not going to rush into anything. I need to just check my TPO quick to see if my TPO is going to give me an entry, but I don't know. Yo, you have 100 accounts, bro. That's wild. Where do I learn my strategy? It's in my Discord, guys. My Discord is for free, guys, and you'll get all my latest updates there with my live streams. Guys, my live stream schedule is going to change. Yeah, I'm going to be trading pre-New York soon. I will be trading pre-New York very soon, guys. Yeah. Did I buy based on the candlesticks? I didn't buy. I didn't buy. Fuck. I'm gonna take a short quick, guys.
Order fill.
Off this 2 minutes. I'm gonna listen, this is a 2-minute short, yeah. Now I'll explain why. Just give me a second. Just please give me a second. Okay? I'm giving you guys some action. Guys, I've taken a short just due to the fact of us being heavily below that opening print right now. If we're below the opening print, the London opening print, I look for shorts. If we're above, I look for buys. I originally had my first short position. My first short position was up here, guys, as we can see, but then I exited too early and price just dumped, which is a bit frustrating, but that's cool. Price opened up at the London Open and we dropped heavily. We're holding below that London opening print right now. I want to see us maybe come for these lows to the left first, and then after that we'll see how much lower we can go. I'm getting in with volume right now, yeah. It's more of a volume trade this, so yeah, let's see how it all plays out and everything. I keep my stop loss just above that opening print because I don't want to see price get back above. And then obviously it's going to be a 1-to-1 to start off with, but I'm going to see if I can maybe try hold this. I don't know. I'm going to see. Now, I entered off for 2 minutes seeing the rejection coming off this EMA. So this is my EMA entry for 2 minutes. Price came into EMA, started rejecting, closed back below. I entered. Now we're breaking those 2 minute inside bars lower, which is giving me more confirmation to take that short. Also, remember my higher time frames, guys. My higher time frames are very bearish right now with the hourly rejecting EMA, closing back below. Very bearish higher time frame right now as well, which is confluencing me into the short. Where's my order flow candles? I paid 504 for. I don't understand, bro. I didn't pay for any order flow. Guys, I don't pay for this platform. You don't pay for funded. I mean, you get different platform. I think there is a platform. I don't know. This is for free, bro. Like, you just get an account, choose deep chart. It's all for free. The green lines and blue lines. What? I don't have a blue line. Oh, so this green line up here that you can see, it's called the daily opening print. That's where the daily candle opened. Part of the strategy. The purple line is where the London Open happened. And then this blue line up here, you can see, is where my stop loss is. So if price hits that blue line, if we get back up, it'll cut me out the trade. This red line is the line that's where I entered. So if price is below this red line, I'll be in profit. If it's above this red line, I will be in negative, a loss. And then this green line down here is that if these candlesticks now trade all the way down to this green line, it'll automatically close my trade out and I'll make $2,000 profit. So right now I'm sitting $400 in profit on this trade. I don't know if you can see actually. Yeah, you can see, look to the left. So right now, yeah, I'm in $400 profit now. We're coming for the first take profit, guys, at this low. Which is going to be my 1-to-1. Okay, there you go, guys. TP1's been hit, yeah. I'm going to go break even. So now I'm moving my entry, my stop loss to my entry. So I'm at a break even on this trade, guys. Yes, I'm making money right now. But it's not real money. Like, this money I'm making now, it's on my, I'm just trying to pass my evaluation. This is a new eval. But yeah, like, I'm making money on an evaluation, but it's not money I can pay myself just yet. I need to pass this evaluation first and then get my funded account where I can make money. But yeah. I'm selling, correct. Yeah. But it's going down. How are you winning? Shouldn't it go up? If you sell, okay, when price is going down, you make money. If you buy and price is going up, you make money. But if you buying and price goes up, no, sorry. If you buying and price goes down, you lose, right? That's what you're thinking of. If I'm selling and price goes up, I'm losing. You need to be on the side where the market's going, you make money. You get paid for live streaming. I don't. That's not true. I don't get paid for it, guys. Obviously, I have a deal, but I don't get paid for live streaming. Guys, that's a W trade. Come on, look at that. Look at that, guys. I'm currently, I'm up $1,400, guys, on the account. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful 2-minute short, guys. Thank fucking God. Thank God, man. What? This is a great London session compared to the last few ones, right? Let's just be honest, guys. We're coming for previous day low, just like I mentioned. I said we're coming for the previous day low. I wouldn't even be surprised if we go lower because the previous day candle is an inside bar. Yeah, I'm currently up. Yeah, guys, you can see I'm up $1,500 now on this trade, which is cool. Great trade though. How did I know price was going down? Just strategy, you know, your strategy gives you an edge. Like, A strategy can help you predict a move. It'll never tell you exactly what it's going to do, but a strategy, you know, when you learn a strategy, you can then, you know, predict the next move potentially, and then you can try capitalize off that.
Order filled.
Boom, guys, take profit hit, man. Take profit hits. If I'm gonna celebrate, I'm gonna celebrate, bro. Like, why can't I celebrate? This is an entertainment stream. I'm gonna celebrate, bro. So you know what, guys? Everybody just W that chat right now. Like, seriously, if you took this trade with me, who took this trade with me, guys? I just made $2,000 trade right now. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. It's been a while since we've had a nice trade like that on a London session. Absolutely bang of a trade. Absolute banger. Nice, Sarvesh. Full port longs. Yeah, dude, full port it. Yeah, Julian, bro, you can ask any question you want. You can ask any question you want, brother. Your Sarvesh made 440 bucks. Very nice, dude. Very, very, very nice. Nice. Guys, listen, if you're in this trade, fuck, get out. Take your money, walk away, man. I mean, do what you want. It's your trade, but that is a 1-2. That was like a 1-2-3 risk to reward. It was a beautiful aura. Dr. Doom, who are you talking about, bro? No one is making money from props anymore, huh? Guys, chat, should I do it? Should I make Dr. Doom? Should I do it, chat? Right? Should I show him? Dr. Doom, just because you don't make money from prop firms does not mean I don't. Okay, let me pull something up for you, Dr. Doom, because you are a very smart person. Okay, my chart froze. Okay, check this. Dr. Doom, just before you come on stream, and I know that you might have blown an account right now and you're upset and you're very touched by it. And you want to hate on me and hate on my stream. That's cool. I can't stop haters, right? But if someone's going to hate, right, I'm going to put a fact. I'm just going to show some facts. Here we go. You can see right now. Okay, payout city right here, right? Check this, hold on. Let me get it. Let me just get it in frame. Here we go. Here's my payouts, you can see, right? Now, looking at these payouts, this is just off one account or two. This is off two accounts, right? So you can see I have a, wait, sorry, that's not even the payout. Let me show you the split. Hold on. So I just have to open this up for you so you can see. Here we go. Payout, boom. This is from Fundapro Futures. Add this all up. I got a $6,000, a $1,500, a 5, a 4, a 4, a 4, 4, 4, 4. Like you can see, I'm requesting payouts out of accounts, right? And if we look at the top here, I have one waiting to be confirmed, which I requested yesterday, a $5,000 payout. I request $5,000 payouts at a time because I use it to pay my rent at home. That's what this fund. That's just this Fundapro Futures account. So yeah, before we start coming in the chat and we want to talk cuck, that's what you call it in South Africa. Let's just get some facts straight first, Let's just get some facts straight first. But yeah, be very careful, because that's just Fundapro Futures. I'm not even going to talk about the other 3 firms I'm trading with. So yeah, obviously prop firms are real. You just need to be a good trader. That's it. You just need to be good at trading, bro. And a AI dashboard. No, of course Dr. Doom is so jealous, bro. Of course. Yeah, let me just I'm gonna block this guy. He's such an idiot. Anyways, guys, no, guys, listen here. This type of stuff, it doesn't even annoy me. It's just like, it doesn't bother me, like, because it happens all the time. Someone said to me the other day, and it actually made sense. If someone's going to come and hate on you, you're obviously doing something right. So I know that. After the stream, I'm going to go to gym, and then I'm going to go tanning on the beach all day long, because that's what I'm going to do now. I'm happy, man. You've been out of it. Yeah. But listen. There's nothing wrong with me proving something right. If someone's going to try and be all slick and come in like that, I will definitely come back at it, man. Damn, that's like the second hater in one stream, huh? Maybe it's the same guy just creating 2 accounts. Watch, we're gonna have another one, guys. If you want to hate now on my stream, that's cool. This is the time. Let's go, everybody. Let's hate. Sarvesh, Daniel, hate on me, please. I know a lot of you guys are like, Cam, why are you entertaining that? To be honest, I don't know. But anyways, guys, this was the trade that we took. It was a beautiful trade into that previous day low. I do think we're going to keep going lower. There could very well still be another entry lower, but this was that's a beautiful trade, guys. I'm not going to take another trade personally, because I've taken that win already. I took a small loss and then I took a really big win, so I'm happy. I'm up $1,500 after that comeback. Let's see. Price could, give another entry at some point as well to go low again. I won't be obviously taking that though. So I'm just leaving this here for the time being. Let me take a screenshot quick. I wonder if there's a way I can remove price. How long did it take me to become profitable? Bro, it took me 4 years to become consistent in, you know, my trading. I became profitable at 5. Like, I became really profitable at 5 years. So it took 4 to 5 years. I've been trading for 8. So I've been profitable for 3 years consistently now. Sarvesh, that's great, bro. That's great. I'm glad the strategy's helping you, bro. I'm glad. That's very cool. Just give me 1 second, guys. I'll be back now. Okay. Guys, I'm not going to take this, but this is like tempting. I'm not taking this though. Please just, I'm saying it again. I'm not taking this. I'm not taking this trade. But this could set up for another short into that daily low. Guys, with that being said, thank you so much for joining the stream. I love every single one of you so much. I will be back tomorrow, guys, the same time. And yeah, let's fucking kill it, guys. I'm happy with the way today went. It was actually the best London session we had all week long. Okay, that trade's invalid, by the way. That was the best London session we've had in a very long time, just due to the fact of having some decent volume. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go eat some breakfast, and I will be back tomorrow, guys. So to every single one of you guys, thank you so much for being here, and thank you for showing all the love and support in the chat. To the guys I want to hate, keep hating. I fucking love it. And to the guys I want to love, I love you even more. So I appreciate all of you guys so much, and once again, thank you for being here. Cheers. for a coffee? You said barely. Because I want to go out and do my stuff and I don't want to leave. I want to maybe go to the gym. I don't know.